Master web development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone! Ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
Hello and welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll be learning about Promise with resolvers. Now, this is a more flexible way to settle promises. This method that we have over here, Promise.withResolvers, makes a remote promise settlement much more concise. Now, the method returns an object with three properties, as you can see over here. That's promise, resolve, and reject. So these two, resolve and reject, are basically functions, and then the promise, as the name suggests, is a fresh promise. Now, these properties can easily be restructured and made ready for action. As you can see in this example, we have this setTimeout method, and then here, if math.random is less than 0.5, we're calling the resolve, and then we're printing the message resolved. Otherwise, we're calling reject. Now, here we are making use of the promise, as you can see on line 11, and we are saying promise.then, and if the promise has been resolved successfully, then it is going to print the resolved value, and it is going to print this resolve. Otherwise, it will print the rejected value. So we are making use of promise.then and then catch. Now, if I go ahead and reload this page one more time, here you can see the value is coming up as a result, and the resolve and reject functions are bound to a particular promise that we have over here in this object, meaning they can be called wherever we like. And you are no longer tied to a constructor, and there's no need to reassign variables from a different scope.